Hey everyone, in this guide, I'm going to show you how to create custom rules to identify duplicate records in Hubspot using the full 2026 layout. Duplicate records can seriously damage your reporting, automations, and sales follow-ups, so setting up custom detection rules is one of the smartest things you can do for your CRM. So first, open your browser, go to hubspot.com, click Login, and sign into your account. Once your dashboard loads, we're ready to build your duplicate rules. In the top right corner, click the Settings gear icon. From the left sidebar, scroll down to Data Management and click Data Quality. This section controls everything related to data accuracy and cleanup. Inside Data Quality, click on Duplicates. This opens HubSpot's duplicate management tool. Now choose the object type you want to monitor, such as contacts, companies, deals, or tickets. After selecting your object, click the Duplicate Rules tab. Here you'll see the default rules HubSpot already uses, plus any custom rules you've created before. To create a new custom rule, click Create Rule. HubSpot will now ask which properties should be used for duplicate detection. You can choose common fields like email address, phone number, company name, or domain, or even use custom properties created inside your CRM. Next, choose your matching logic. You can set the rule so that duplicates are flagged if any of the selected properties match, or only if all properties match. Using any is more aggressive, while using all is more precise. When everything is set, click Save and turn the rule on. HubSpot will immediately begin scanning your records using this custom rule in real time. Any matching records will now appear inside the Duplicates tool. From there, you can review flagged duplicates, compare record details side by side, and safely merge them into one clean record. This keeps your database accurate without losing important information. And that's it. That's how to create custom rules to identify duplicates in HubSpot using the 2026 setup. Once these rules are active, your CRM stays clean, your reports stay accurate, and your automations work exactly as they should. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next